Because I'm finance girly, but at the end of the day, it's about more than finances. It's about more than paying off your debt. It's about more than saving money. It's about growing as a person. It is about evolving. It is about experiencing what life has to offer, all the beautiful things.
Where are we going?
To where the money grows.
Hello and happy Friday. It is time for another wallet check, but I did not get paid today because I just recently switched jobs, so I'm kind of like in that in-between period. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about my unexpected trip that I took in December and how that affected my finances. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Hey, my friend called me. The place where I worked was going to be closed that week, so I was like, yeah, sure, I would want to go to Puerto Rico. And so with the information that I had at the time, yes, at the time I could have went. I just was not taking into consideration all the other ways that the universe could have unfolded. Ultimately though, no regrets whatsoever in any way, because the company that I'm going to is much better than where I was at, so I'm okay not getting a paycheck this week. And also too, when it came to like being down in Puerto Rico and just like the experiences that I had while I was down there, completely 180 shifted my perspective towards my goals. And if you ask me like what it was, I really don't know what it was. Like I can't pinpoint it and say like, oh, that's the moment where everything changed. But it was just like the experience overall of like being down there and like visiting like the Yunque rainforest, like, and being in the beach. And I just came back feeling like, you know what, this is my year. 2025 is my year. This is a year where I stop playing games when it comes to honestly like my YouTube goals, right? I've been wanting to start this YouTube channel for years and I just never really took the jump. And then finally last year I kind of started with NACA because I was like, oh, this would be a great idea. I haven't really seen too many videos on NACA because I was going through the NACA process myself. I was like, well, maybe I should start a YouTube channel about NACA so people in my situation have resources that they can like go to from somebody who has actually gone through the process. But yeah, I don't know, I want more. I want more of it. Posting those videos on NACA, even though they're so freaking cringe and I cannot even stand to look at them, it was great because I see like in the comments like how much I've helped people and how much value I can provide to people that are going through something that I went through. I just want more of that. I want to share more information. I want to do the things. And even just like the process of like planning my content and filming the content and learning how to use editing softwares and like feeling more comfortable in front of the camera. And you know, it's like this thing where I'm just like constantly evolving, right? I love it. I love all of it. I love all of it. I want to be a YouTube girly. I want to do the things. And I mean, I am now, like I'm doing the things now, but like this was not my mindset 3 weeks ago when I was in Puerto Rico, right? Everything changed. Everything changed. And so if you were to ask me, seeing how it's almost the end of January and I'm still not back financially to where I was a few months ago where I was giving like so much money to my car payment. If you were to ask me again now, would you go to Puerto Rico all over again? I would say yes in a heartbeat because I'm finance girly, but at the end of the day, it's about more than finances. It's about more than paying off your debt. It's about more than saving money. It's about growing as a person. It is about evolving. It is about experiencing what life has to offer, all the beautiful things, right? And so, yeah, this is a wallet check for today. It was more of a check-in, but I guess I'll take this as a chance to thank each and every one of you that has suffered through the NACA videos from like the OG NACA video. I might remake them. But anyways, you guys are so awesome. Thank you so much. I hope the videos keep providing you value. Again, if you do have a question about NACA or the process, definitely leave a comment down below and I will do my best to respond as quickly as possible. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you have a great weekend.